Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a room in Character AI. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type ol.character.ai and hit on enter right now. Now this is the homepage of character.ai. As you can see, I have already logged into my account, so if you have not, do log in right now. Right here at the left hand side, you will find many options like home, feed, create, chats and community. Simply click on this create button right here. A pop-up will open asking you to create a character, room or persona. Simply click on create a room button. Now it's gonna ask you to enter the room name, add the characters. You can add as many characters as you wish. And you can also include the room topic, though it's completely optional and it's up to you. Once everything's okay, click on this create button right here. And then your room has been successfully created. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we create a room in Character AI. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.